Alrighty, people. So I keep seeing stuff about the butterfly Gordo. Figured I'd make a little video. But anyway, I already popped the butterfly Gordo. It's just a tunnel. It's all stuff down there. Nothing super fabulous except maybe a couple of those pods. Anyway, in order to pop this Gordo, you need to get these MoonDewNectar droplets, which is the first thing in my tank. So it's that first tank slot. Anyway, there's these flowers all the way down that way. Like you can see it on that tree, on that one, over there, if that's on a wall or something, I don't know. But anyway, they're all the way down that way. And the best method that I found to get these was to start at the Ringtail Gordo's location and then travel backwards as I got the flowers. So I'm just going to head over there right now. It's just straight this way. You keep going, and you can see there's flowers all the way down here. Okay, keep going. Once you get in here, you can see all these flutter slimes. But you turn left right here, and then you turn right, and you can see that little teleporter right there, portal. Okay, that was the ringtail Gordo, or that's where he was at. He was hiding it. It goes back to Rainbow Island, closer to your house or your ranch. Not exactly at the ranch though. But anyway, the method that worked for me is I just sat here and I looked at all of these flowers. Like you can see a whole bunch of them from here. And I waited until I saw little green dots in each of them. And I don't see any right now. But once you start seeing them, you can run over and vacuum them up. And once I got all of these, I just kept going until I got back to the butterfly Gordo. So I'll just keep going along here, and you can see there's some up there somewhere. I don't know, I can't really see it anymore, but they drop down here. But there's a flower up there, flower up there. You go back up this path, and then there is a flower somewhere up there. I know I saw one, but there's a couple of them over there too. So I was just kind of making my way over here, and I'd go on top of this guy's head, on top of that tree. There's one right there, and I'd get that one, and it'd usually drop down into that little pond right there. And I just kind of zigzag back and forth. I usually went to that one next, and then can't remember if there was one up here somewhere or not. There was one right there, and then there was one right there, and I just made my way along until I got back. And that was how I got the most of those nectar things. So have fun.